Hey tech lovers! Today, I'll walk you through how to get Adobe Acrobat Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below to visit Adobe's official website. Once you're there, look for the Free Trial button and click it. Select the Business Plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. More than enough time to explore all the powerful PDF tools Acrobat Pro has to offer. Next, hit Continue, type in your email address, and press Continue again. You'll need to provide some basic details and payment information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before the 14 days are up. Once everything's filled out, click Agree and subscribe. After that, set up a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're ready to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps section, find Adobe Acrobat Pro, and click Install. And there you have it. Adobe Acrobat Pro is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're editing PDFs, signing documents, or creating forms, you've got everything you need to get started. Click the link below to get started with Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.